Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to reset network preferences on iOS. First, we need to open up the settings. Those should be on your home screen, but if you can't find them here, all you need to do is go all the way to the right, then click on App Library, right Settings, open them up, click on General, scroll down. Now just click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then click on Reset, and here it is, Reset Network Settings. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really great if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.